today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor Template Kits. If you're looking to streamline the design process for your WordPress site, Elementor Template Kits are a fantastic way to quickly import a set of designer-created templates that can give your site a professional look with minimal effort. First, you'll want to ensure that you have Elementor installed on your WordPress site. Elementor is a page builder plugin, which allows you to create beautiful, custom layouts for your website without having to touch a single line of code. Once that's ready, let's make sure that you also have the necessary add-ons that will allow you to access template kits. You'll typically need both the free Elementor plugin and the Elementor Pro version, as template kits leverage Elementor's advanced features. If you haven't already, make sure to download and install them from your WordPress dashboard. Now, let's dive into finding the right template kit for your project. Begin by navigating to the Elementor website, where you'll find a wide library of template kits suited to various industries and website types. Spend a bit of time browsing through the categories or using the search function to find something that matches your needs. Once you've found the perfect kit, download it to your computer. Typically, these will come in a .zip format, so ensure it's downloaded properly. Next, return to your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll navigate to the Templates section found within the Elementor menu. Click on Import Kits and then select the .zip file of your template kit that you just downloaded. Make sure to hit the Upload button and give it a moment to transfer to your website. Once it's uploaded, you'll have the option to preview each page or section within the kit. This is a great time to assess each piece, determining which parts of the kit you'll want to use on your site. After you've taken a look at everything, it's time to import the kit's components onto your site. Click on the Import Now button, which will bring all the pages, sections, and templates into your Elementor library. Head back to your Elementor editor where you can now start customizing the pages included in your template kit. You can reuse these elements in various combinations by dragging and dropping them into your active pages. As you work through customization, pay attention to your site's existing style guide to ensure all design elements are consistent. Change text, images, and other site-specific content as needed. This can be accomplished simply by clicking on the content you'd like to change, editing directly within Elementor's intuitive interface. Once you're satisfied with the changes and the overall look aligns with your brand, hit the Publish button or save your draft. That way, your site visitors will be greeted with a seamless, newly designed experience. By using Elementor Template Kits, you'll find that building beautiful, functional websites can be straightforward and efficient. Happy designing!